my name is Emily. Welcome back to Junk Journal Inspirations. It's time for the week 11 prompts for the Simply Random Ephemera Challenge. So yeah, just real quick, if you're coming into this for the first time at week 11, great. We are so happy that you're here. You can join in anytime. If you want to just like join in at, this week, that's fine. You can skip weeks 1 through 10. If you want to go back and do weeks 1 through 10 and share and post about them, fabulous. If you just want to do them for yourself, that's great too. But just make sure if you are going to share on social media to use the hashtag Simply Random Challenge and then tag me as well, so that I see your project right away and it's not, I don't miss it. All right. Week 11, here we go. So let's do our theme first. Hope everybody's doing well today. Something cold, that's our theme. Who wants to think about that right now? I'm ready for warm, but that's okay. Something cold, it can be anything cold. That's our theme. And then our color. Mixing that up good. All right, distressed. Okay, that's sort of a color and also a technique, but I think, yeah, I'm not sure what I meant for that by color. I guess just whatever you would think of as being a distressed color. So for me, I think of brown or black or gray or something that's going to make it look older. Tea dye, coffee dye, anything like that makes something look distressed, right? Okay, and our technique, wait, no, that was theme. Did I say that something cold was the technique? I didn't mean that, if that's what I said. All right, we have stamped, okay? So to me, that means with like, cling stamps or rubber stamps, or old office stamps, something like that. If you don't have any of those and you still want to participate, that's fine. By all means, just use stamps. I mean, it kind of has a dual meaning, right? If you stamp something, you put a postage stamp on it. So we can go that route too, if that works better for you. And then we'll choose 3 items out of our item tin. They seem to stick together. It's a little difficult. Okay. All right, there we go. Game pieces. Okay. So anything that came out of a game or would be used in a game. Pictures of footballs would work, right? Pictures, of a game. Sheet music, right? And finally, we have paperclip. All right, awesome. Well, that's not too scary. I think that's pretty doable. All right, so I hope you have fun with this week's prompts. Let me know if you have any questions. Like I said, just come into it anytime, whenever you want. Join in. I just want to see everybody's projects. I'm having a blast. I think this is a lot of fun. I might have to come up with another challenge when this is over. We'll see. All right, I will let you guys go. Have a fabulous day. Stay safe, stay healthy, try to do something for yourself today, something that makes you happy. And I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.